So Builderall offers their own blogging platform. They have a blogging app. And if you're used to using WordPress, but you no longer want to use the platform, you can go through Builderall and use their blogging platform. When you click on the blog app, you'll be able to choose your template, and you can name it as well. You can add a description and choose to mark it as active or inactive. And you can also edit the color of your buttons and include pop-ups. And you can also set your article categories and topics. It also makes a preview on the right-hand side so you can see exactly how it's going to look. Basically, it's an alternative to WordPress, and it's included with your Builderall subscription. With that said, if you'd like a 14-day trial to Builderall, I'll have a link down in the description below. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.